This Belling dual fuel range cooker is ideal for busy households and keen cooks. The 3 ovens are made of 2 fanned ovens and a traditional oven and grill. With lots of space and flexibility, it's great for cooking different meals at the same time. So you can enjoy flexibility from your cooker and easier meal times. The 91 litre tall oven with 25 shelf positions to choose from means you can cook numerous dishes all at the same time. This is great if you need to cook large portions for family dinners. The wok burner offers you intense heat with 4 kilowatts of power. This is ideal when making a stir fry or for when you need a burst of heat. Transform dinner time into an easy and relaxing occasion with this top-of-the-range cooker from Belling.